Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Proton Calendar account step by step. Before we begin, it's important to know that Proton Calendar does not have a separate account. It's part of your Proton account, so deleting it means deleting your entire Proton account, including services like Proton Mail, Proton Drive, Proton VPN, Proton Pass, and any other Proton services linked to that account. So let's get started. First, sign into your Proton account using a web browser. Before deleting your account, make sure you've backed up any important emails, calendar events, files, or other data you want to keep, since this process is permanent. Next, open your account settings and navigate to the Account or Security section. Look for the option to delete account or close account. Now, carefully read the warning messages displayed on the screen. Deleting your Proton account permanently removes access to your Proton Calendar and all other Proton services associated with that account. If you're certain you want to continue, confirm your identity by entering your password and completing any required verification steps. After confirming the deletion request, Proton will process your account closure according to its current policies. Once the deletion is completed, you won't be able to sign in with that account or recover your stored calendar events and other account data unless Proton specifically provides a recovery option before final deletion. Finally, if your goal is only to stop using Proton Calendar, consider simply signing out or removing the app from your device instead of deleting your entire Proton account. And that's it. You now know how to delete a Proton Calendar account by closing your Proton account and understand the consequences before proceeding. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.